Hey guys, welcome back to my sketchbook video. My name is Chetna and in today's video I'm drawing a cute puppy with a beautiful butterfly sitting on his nose. So this is a mixed media artwork and here I am drawing puppy with pencil and will be painting butterfly with bright acrylic colors. So at first draw the puppy with simple edgy pencil and I'm using my regular mechanical pencil. With light hand, try to accurately draw the features of face and also avoid using eraser frequently as it is going to make your surface more rough. Now once you are satisfied with the under-sketch, move on to the shading part. Using same pencil or any other 2B pencil, start shading, leaving the white spaces for highlights and cover all the face with long strokes creating hairy patterns. At first, keep it light. Now take 6B pencil and move on to the second layer of shading. Start shading all the darker regions and while shading keep in mind the texture of hair or fur. Also make sure you use properly sharpened pencil. Now before painting the butterfly, roughly draw its shape and then start coloring. Using mixture of Prussian blue and white for the upper part of the wings and lower part. For lower part, use mixture of green, blue and white. And try to keep the lower region lighter than the upper part. And I believe there is no hard and fast rule for in painting. Anyone can paint as he or she wishes to. But one thing is important while you paint is color balancing. So for adding color balance in my painting, I am painting some hair strands of the puppy with blue color. This is going to balance the blue color of the butterfly with blue color in the lower part of our painting. For super dark regions, you may use black Polychromous pencil, but right now I don't have it, so I'm simply using black acrylic color. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please hit the like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.